Welcome guys, so today I am with Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in this device. So as you can see, and my Bluetooth is enabled and the speaker is also turned on. As you can see, the indicator is blinking, and to enable the pairing mode we have to click once on the Bluetooth button. As you can see right now it's blinking quickly, and after that we can refresh the list with available devices, or we can also simply power off and power on Bluetooth, and right now the speaker will be visible for our device. As you can see right now it appears right here. So that's how you can enable the pairing mode in your Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 speaker. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.